Welcome back, and in this final lesson I will talk you through how to write an explanation step by step. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to choose a topic for your explanation, choose your own level, write a procedure with guidance from the video, and then publish your writing for people to read. I'm going to suggest 3 difficulty settings for you to choose from. Level 1 is for you to draw the different stages, putting the pictures in order. A kind adult might even do some writing with it for you. Level 2 is to write using the template by following the video. Finally, level 3 is to write independently with the template. Let's start by choosing a topic. We use explanation to write about things we learn in science, like the water cycle and the life cycle of the butterfly. We could also write about how a seed grows into a flower, how baking soda makes bread rise, how something is made. You can write your explanation about how something happens. RTE Kids News Today did a very good explanation about how voting in Ireland works. That's very worth checking out. I'll leave a link in the description. Try to pick something you like, and if it's your first go, pick something simple. As always, there's a link in the description if you want to use this template. Choose a title. Usually it will have how in it, how a car is made, or how does sound travel. If you are writing about a cycle in nature, your title will be something like The Water Cycle or The Life Cycle of the Butterfly. I find the best way to organize my writing is to start with the diagram. Do a simple picture of each stage in order. Use arrows to make it very clear. If you are explaining something that happens in a cycle, you can draw the stages in a circle like this. The first paragraph is the definition. Write briefly exactly what the topic is. 1 or 2 sentences is plenty because the detail comes later. Next, use the diagram you made as a guide. Write the stages in order using the present tense. Make sure you skip a line when you move to another stage. Write in the passive voice sometimes if you can. If you like, write some interesting facts about the topic or information about how we use this thing. Then we must check that we have labels on our diagram. Show what you've written to a teacher, another adult, or your friend and ask if it ticks these boxes. Ask them if they think they would be able to follow your procedure. Did you write a how title, not how to? Do you have a definition of exactly what it is at the start? Have you written the stages in order? Have you possibly used some passive verbs? Have you written it in the present tense? And very importantly, do you have a labelled diagram with arrows showing the different stages? Well done on all your listening and writing. As always, our final step is to publish your writing. Put it somewhere where it'll be read. Seesaw, the school blog, the classroom wall, even the fridge at home. Wherever you like. After all that hard work, it's time to take a well-earned rest. Give yourself a pat on the back. Get outside and play. You've done really well in this lesson. Má sibh agus slán go fóill.